Theodore attempting his first crawl. So far he's only ever been able to push himself backwards.
Jump.
But this time he's been moving his hands up and down, getting ready for moving forward.
He's almost sitting himself up.
And almost pushing
Hello.
himself back.
Hello. Nervous?
Oh, you're almost standing up, buddy. Yeah. Concentrate. Think about what you're gonna do.
Atlas.
Don't play for the camera. Don't play for the crowd.
Nervous?
What are you gonna do now? Almost moving forward there.
See him falling on his nose.
Yeah. Well, then moving hand.
Woo! Hey!